Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ravi Programming. So in this session I'm going to explain you the yield method. So let's say there are two threads, one is the thread 1, another is the thread 2, and if I will execute at the same time both of them. So thread will one let's say it will take 5 seconds, or maybe it could be like 5 hours, or let's say 5 days, something like that, or bigger time. And if thread 2, then what will happen is, like, for example, if it is taking a lot of resources from the backend, right, maybe the database connection or something like that, then this thread 2 has to wait for thread 1 to release that resource. Remember that thread 2, let's say there is a database connection and there is only one connection and they have to share it. So thread 2 has to share wait for thread 1 to complete, because it is holding that resource for that particular time. Let's say it is taking the 5 hours, and let's say this is something which will take 5 seconds. Then it has to wait for that process to complete for 5 hours, so that it could take that database connection. So in this case, what we could plan is, like, if there is something which is taking a lot of time, or it could take some more time, then we could yield that process for some time and execute the second one. Once it will complete, we could start processing the thread 1. So this is how we could do it. So if I will compile, I will save this, and if I will compile, right, see, the thread 1 is running and thread 2 is running. But in this case, how do you know that whether that is particular thing working or not? So for that, what I could do is, like, I could put here a message after, within run, obviously within the run method. So what I'm doing is, like, I'm putting a message system.out.println, because see, if you are not running your example in a proper way, you are just understanding the whatever the concept I have explained. But if you are not really executing in a proper way, and you are not uh, you know uh, doing in a proper way, with the proper syntax and the messages, you will not understand that concept properly. So I'm saying thread 1 execution completed here, and for the thread 2 I will say thread 2 execution completed here, right? So let's see. So thread 1 started, thread 2 started, thread 2 executed, completed the first, and because we yielded the thread 1, then the thread 1 came again and executed it's processing whatever it was doing and completed. So this is how you could yield your thread for some time, so that you could prioritize some other thread. This is the end of this topic. For more videos like this, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video with another interesting topic. Thank you for watching my videos.